So if you came here in a new car, 1 or 2 years old, you drove here in a computer on wheels. Like, and that stuff really all works together? Like, who's testing it?
How do we know it's not going to fail us in some way? People don't really know how to test the car and the software.
So what we're getting to is we're getting onto the roads where there's limited access, maybe a limited number of other vehicles. Let's try them out and see what happens. So we got thinking, Peter Watkins, who is about to come up here with me, came into my office one day and he started saying, you know, we test the physical systems on these cars here at Ace to make sure nothing fails. Why don't we try to create the infrastructure that the cars see and test the software at the same time, so we can create a simulation and a controlled environment that comes as close to the road as possible without going anywhere. So we tried to create a team, expertise, and skills to create a world-leading partnership that could allow us to approach 100% reliability of autonomous cars, first in the lab and then on the road. And we created this partnership. Already, we've gotten a number of commercial contracts and research grants with other researchers around the world. It's a partnership between Ontario Tech, our researchers, who are experts in software reliability, ACE, the climatic wind tunnel, Fraunhofer Focus in Germany, and of course, a real partner I'm proud to be associated with, QA Consultants. So now I'd like to bring up here Peter Watkins. Peter's actually the visionary who dreamed this whole thing up.
QA Consultants is a world leader in testing, as validated by an independent research by Clutch Research for 2015, 2016, 2017, and 2018. Some examples of what we can do in partnership with Fraunhofer Focus and the Automotive Center of Excellence includes the following. One is the environmental testing. Automotive Center of Excellence can create conditions of minus 40 degrees centigrade to 60 degrees centigrade in conditions of sleet, ice, snow, and droplets of precipitation at the micro level. We then use that environment to test how does the software function under these environmental conditions. We're investing in partnership with the Ontario Centers of Excellence and National Research Council multi-millions of dollars over multiple years in several projects that we've undertaken. One deals with connected vehicle and autonomous vehicle testing, and we're creating an environment for testing of operation systems in vehicles, BlackBerry QNX, automotive grade Linux, as well as Android Auto, and allowing people to test their software systems as to how they would interact with the operating systems in the vehicle themselves. The second area we're pursuing is with the Automotive Center of Excellence. We've set up a connected and autonomous vehicle software test bay where we test infotainment systems and ADS systems and a variety of software systems to service the stakeholders in the automotive industry. These are Ministry of Transportation, insurance companies, regulators, compliance officers, as well as anyone who is building applications that they want to operate in vehicles. They have no place to go for this testing, and we're providing an environment where they can test their services in vehicles.